Hello, welcome to Roboprenr, the STEM learning platform. My name is Hari, and in this session, we'll be learning about number system. So this is the first lecture of our number system series. So let's understand few important concepts first. So what is a number? So a number is basically a mathematical value which is used to count or measure different quantities. So if we take an example, let's take an example 12. So this 12 is represented by a symbol. So it has a specific symbol and it has a specific magnitude. So its magnitude is 12. So different numbers have different magnitude and different symbols. Let us write magnitude. So with the help of numbers, we can also perform various mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. So let's understand this with an example. Let's take an example. Let's add two numbers, 12 plus 8. So when two numbers are added, we will get another number. This is known as 20. Or if we subtract two numbers, so we'll get answer as 4. So in this way, numbers are used to perform various mathematical operations. With the help of numbers, we can also measure and compare the quantities. For example, let's take 22 liters of milk and 20 liters of milk. So it is obvious that 22 liters of milk will be greater than 20 liters of milk. So that this symbol 22 and this symbol 20, actually we are comparing a physical quantity which is the volume in this case. 22 liters of volume is greater than 20 liters of the volume of the same quantity, that is a milk. So far so good. So let's move to the next concept. So now let's understand how to compare two different numbers. So we will understand this concept with two cases. So let us take case 1. So in case 1, we will be comparing the numbers when the total number of digits are different. So let's understand this with a simple example. Let's take numbers 22, 123, 9, 345 and 3005. So how we will compare these numbers? So for comparing, we have to first count the number of digits. So in number 22, we have 2 digits. In number 23, we have 3 digits. Similarly, in 9, we have only 1 digit. In 345, we have 3 digits. And in number 3005, we have 4 digits. So what is the rule of thumb? A number which has least number of digits, that number will be the smallest number, and the number which has more number of digits or the most number of digits, that number will be the largest number. So by our understanding, we can say that 9 is the smallest number because it consists of only 1 digit. So this is the smallest number. This is smallest. And 3005, it has 4 digits, which has the largest number of digits in this case. So this will be our largest number. So 3005 is the largest number. So this is the comparison of the two numbers or more numbers when the number of digits are different in each case. So now let's take the second case. In this case, we'll be learning how to compare numbers having the same number of digits. So let's understand this concept with a simple example. Let's take number 340, 347, 560, 280, 265. So how we compare these numbers? All the numbers, when you observe, they have the same number of digits. That is 3 digits. So all the numbers have same number of digits. 347, 560, 280, 265 all consist of 3 digits. Now, how we will compare these numbers having the same number of digits? So the basic idea is find the leftmost digit in the number itself. So if we take this example 340, the leftmost digit is 3. In this example 347, the leftmost digit is 3. In 560, the leftmost digit is 5. In 280, the leftmost digit is 2. And in 265, the leftmost digit is 265. Now, out of all the numbers, which number has the greatest leftmost digit? Yes, the answer is 560. So 560 is the biggest number in this case. This is the largest number. Now let's find the smallest number. So for the smallest number, we have 340, which is left out. 347 is also left out. 280 is also left out. And 265 is also left out. So by our observation, we have seen that the smallest leftmost digit is 2 in these two numbers, 280 and 265. So we will eliminate 340 and 347 and compare 280 and 265. So now what we observe, that the leftmost digit of both the numbers are similar. So now what we do, we move to the next consecutive leftmost digit and we compare them. So let's move to the next consecutive leftmost digit, that is 8 in this case and 6 in this case. So 8 is greater than 6, therefore 280 is greater than 265. So the smallest number in this example is 265. Simple to understand? Now let's take some more examples. Let's compare these two numbers, 27 and 24. So by observation, what we can see, this is the case second, in which the number of digits are same. So now when we observe the leftmost digit of the two numbers, they are already similar. 2 and 2 are already similar. Now we compare the second leftmost digit, that is 7 and 4 in this case. Since 7 is greater than 4, or we can write, since 4 is less than 7, therefore we can write 24 is less than 27. So in this case, smallest number is 24. This is the smaller number and this is the greater number or bigger number. Now let's compare. So this second question is a homework problem for you. In third question, what we see, we compare numbers 65 and 102. So what we observe, these numbers are having different number of digits. So we will use case 1 to solve this problem. So what we have understood in case 1, we have observed that the number which have the largest number of digits, that number will be the greater number by default. So 102 has 3 digits and the number 65, it has 2 digits. So that is why we can say 102 is the bigger number or greater number and 65 is the smaller number. This is the smaller number. Or we can just use a symbol like this, greater than or small than. So 65 is less than 102. Or we can also say 102 is greater than. So rest of the examples are homework problem for you. We will discuss these examples in the next class. So now let's understand how to arrange the number in ascending and descending order. So what is the ascending order? So if we arrange the numbers from the smallest to the largest, so this order is known as ascending order. But if we do reverse of it, and if we place the number from the greatest to the smallest, then this arrangement, this order is known as descending order. So let's understand this with a simple example. But before proceeding further, we need to recall our previous concept, that was comparing the numbers. So if you have mastered that concept, this example is going to be very simple for you. So let's see this. Let's take the number 32, 12, 90, 433, 999 and 109020. So let's arrange this number in ascending order first. So we have to find the smallest number first. So we have to compare all these numbers. So when we compare, we find 12 is the smallest number. This is the smallest, and 109020, since it has largest number of digits, so this number will be the greatest number. This is the greatest. Now from the smallest to greatest, we have to write all the numbers. So let's write the smallest number and let's write the greatest number. So in between these numbers, we have to put all the numbers. So after 12, which is the smallest digit? 32. 32 is the smallest digit. So we'll place 32 over here. Then after 32, which is the smallest digit? 90. 90 is the smallest digit. Then after 90, 4333 is the smallest digit. And after 4333, we are left with only 999. So in this way, we will arrange the numbers in ascending order. So this is the ascending order. So we can write this: 12 is less than 32, 32 is less than 90, 90 is less than 4333, 433, 433 is less than 999, and 999 is less than 109020. So this is the correct ascending order. So having understood this, let's arrange the same number in the descending order form. So what we will do, we will place the largest number first and smallest number at the last. Now we will write all the subsequent numbers. So 999, 433, 90 and 32. So we can write this 109020 is greater than 9999. This 9999 is greater than 433. This 433 is greater than 90. 90 is greater than 32, and 32 is greater than 12. Got it? So now let's take more example to understand the concept. So let us take question number first. 402, 206, 201, 302 and 550. So of course, we need to find the smallest number first. So all the numbers are having same number of digits. So we will find the leftmost digit and we will compare. So the leftmost digit is here 4, here is 2, here is 2, here is 3 and here is 5. So which is the greatest leftmost digit? 550. So the largest number will be 550 itself. And now which is the smallest leftmost digit? So the smallest leftmost digit is 2 in 206 and 2 in 201. So now we compare the leftmost digit, second leftmost digit, that is 0 and 0. They both are similar, they both are equal. So now let's compare the last leftmost digit, that is 6 and 1. So of course 6 and 1, 2066 is greater than 1. So what we can write? We can write 201 is smaller than 206. So the smallest number will be 201. So we'll place it here. Now we will place all the numbers in between them, in between the smallest and the largest number. So now after 201, 206 will come. And after 206, which number will come? Yes, when we'll compare 302 and 402, we find the leftmost digit in the number 402 is greater than the leftmost digit in the number 302. So of course 302 is the smallest number. So this is the smaller than 402. Then of course 402 will come here. So we'll put that 201 is less than 206, 206 is less than 302, 302 is less than 402 and 402 is less than 550. So all the next example, this is homework problem for you. And similarly, all these examples, arranging number in descending order, this is also homework problem for you. So now let's understand how we can form different numbers using a certain number of digits. So let's understand this with a simple example. Let's take a 4-digit number 309. So what is the largest number that we can form using these 4 digits? So first of all, we will see which number is bigger. 3 is bigger, 0 is bigger, or 9 is bigger, or 6 is bigger? Yes. So the largest number is 9. So we will write 9 over here. and the smallest number, which is 0 in this case, we'll write 0 here at the end. So now in between, see, 0 and 9 is now not an option because the repetition of digit is not allowed in this case. So now we are left with 6 and 3. So which is greater? 6 is greater or 3 is greater? 6 is greater. So that is why we will write 6 over here and 3 over here. So thus we got the answer 9630 is the largest number that can be formed by arranging these digits, that is 3096. So now let's find the smallest number. So let's take the same example, 3096. So now in this case we will leave 0 because if we put 0 in front of the number, that will not be a 4-digit number, that will be treated as a 3-digit number. So we'll leave 0 and we'll see the next subsequent smallest number, smallest digit. So the smallest digit, 3 in this case, so we'll write 3. So after 3, the smallest is 0, so we'll write 0. After 0, the smallest is 6. So we'll write 6 over here. And we will place the largest number at the end, that is 9 over here. So thus we got the 4-digit number, that is the smallest number that can be formed using the given example, that is 3069. So now let's see the next concept. So now let's understand what is the shifting of digits. So by shifting digits, what we are doing, we are actually changing the position of the digits. So when we change the position of the digits, the magnitude of the number, it gets changed. So let's understand this with a simple example. Let's take a number 789. So when you reverse or when you interchange the digits, you may get a number 987. So how we got 987? We have just interchanged the position of 7 and 9 digit. So thus we got 987, which is a different number. So this is known as shifting of digits. So let's understand the concept of place value and face value. Face value. So let's understand this concept with a simple example. Let's take the number 789. 7, 8 and 9. 9 is at the ones place, 8 is at the tens place, and 7 is at the hundred place. So the place value of 9 in the number 789 is 9. The place value of 8 is 80, and the place value of 7 in the number 789 is 700. So this is the place value. So now let's understand what is a face value. So a face value of a number is the number itself. So a face value of 9 in the number 789 is 9 itself. So this is its face value. Short form is FV. Face value of 8 is 8 itself, that is face value. The face value of 7 is same, that is 7 only. So this is the face value. So I hope you have got the idea and all the concepts are crystal clear in your mind, and rest we will discuss in the next class.